Today I will give you a brief introduction of the Olympus OM system. The Olympus OM is a compact body design SLR system with interchangeable lenses. It started with the Olympus OM1 and then followed OM2, OM4 and other models. It shoots 35mm film and all the lenses have manual focus. There are a couple bodies that shoot AF lenses, but it's very, very rare. Lenses are easily adaptable to shoot on mirrorless cameras or Canon EF bodies. Lens selection is really big, and the lenses are not only quite compact, but you have wide angles, telephotos, macro lenses, and others. Olympus OM is a great option for someone that's looking for a 35mm SLR camera and doesn't want something that's too big or expensive. One thing to note is that all the Olympus OM lenses were made with the same standard, so there are no entry-level lenses and high-end lenses. They're all great performers. Another note is the fact that they were divided into different series. The 1 number series were the pro cameras and the 2 number series were the consumer models. Now we get into the Olympus OM system, which is also probably one of the biggest and also smallest systems.
Who is this for, this system?
Honestly, I think there's quite a lot of users that can use it, probably entry level. If you want a manual camera that you can trust with exposure and manual settings and manual focus, great lens selection, and also entry level prices.
Yeah, but I think that it is for professionals too. Let's say this OM4 here, it has great metering. It has a dual spot system. You can set the lowest point and the highest in terms of the light levels. And yeah, I think it is all around greatly engineered cameras. Small in a way, lenses are small, very compact system, nice thing to carry around, doesn't obtrude that much, it doesn't feel that intimidating,
Yeah, and the viewfinder, the look through the viewfinder is
bright
stunning.
and large.
Yeah, you won't feel like you're not, it doesn't feel like you're looking through a lens. It looks like almost better than real life. So yeah, if you're looking, for a small system towards the body, size and something lightweight, but professional, it's a great option. And also there's some entry-level cameras like the OM10.
And OM40.
Yeah. And can you mount these lenses, because the cameras were only film, but the lenses, can you mount them on something different, adapt them?
Yeah, you can adapt to, let's say, Canon EF. And let's start with the lenses too. These are there are some very good lenses. Let's say this 90 f2, this is a beautiful lens. This is you can use it as a portrait lens or a macro lens or whatever. There's a good lenses for this system. And these are 24mm and the hood is bigger than the lens. It's stunning.
Here we have a 100mm and you can see how small it actually is.
Yeah.
This on Nikon usually is a little bigger.
And that's how they actually achieve is they added the length here in the body so they can slim down the lenses. It's a clever design.
Yeah, and price-wise, there is a spectrum of prices, but compared to similar cameras of the era like the Nikon or the Canon, do you think they're still more affordable? Like a lot of people start with a Pentax K1000 or the Canon A1. Do you think the price of an OM1 is below?
I think it's in the same ballpark, and the OM1 and OM2 is pretty much on the same level in a way. And OM2 is a great one because it has the auto exposure function, and in the way the OM1 is greater in a way, it's a fully mechanical, but it still has the light meter. And then we have the higher end, the OM4, and the OM3 is like the mechanical version of the OM4. So that's a high-end version. So there's a big spectrum going from the OM10 to, let's say, the OM3. There's a great variety in terms of build quality and price range.
Yeah, you probably for every budget, every user, there's an Olympus for you. I think that's great. You can change the focusing screens on any of them?
I think on most models you can do it.
Which is nice. It's also, even though you can't take the prism off, you can change the focusing screen, which is very interesting. So yeah, let us know. What do you think of the OM system? Are you a user? Are you interested in getting into it? You can check camerastore.com for availability of some of the items we have here on the table, and leave a question if you want on the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.